This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 30th, 2019. So anyway, I got a call for a backed up drain on the second floor for a tub. So it says she tried Drano and all kinds of stuff and still nothing. So, go over there and give it the old hydro blast, sounds like. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? Give it the old hydro blast. Try to get you some shots. You love driving. Oh, I know you love driving. You love driving. Backing up, going down real slow. Almost feels like there's hair caught in that thing, coming out hard.
Steve, I've got a plunger in the cellar. Do you want it?
No, not right yet. I'm gonna probably hydro blast it. Oh, so this thing's not even hooked up.
No, it's not. I told you it didn't work. It stopped working and we disconnected it years ago.
Yeah. Well, I gotta put a rag in there because if not, it's not gonna work. I gotta block it with a rag. Definitely got some hair going on in there.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
You losing your hair?
No, but I've had a few students with a lot of hair and they have long hair and my granddaughters have long hair, so.
Yeah, so it's probably a long hair issue.
Yeah,
Most likely, right?
most likely. If it was something else, it wouldn't be working at all.
You're not calling me for tea and crumpets, that's for sure.
I'm not calling you for what?
You're not calling me to have tea and crumpets.
Oh, no. No.
Yeah, we'll get the hydro blast. We'll give it a blast with the hydro blast, and that should take care of it. Hopefully. We don't know what kind of piping you got. I mean, you might have a drum trap down there. We don't know.
Oh God, this house is built in the 20s, 1920s.
Be all lead. Who knows? We'll get the hydro blast, and it's definitely not going down. Get my other equipment and we'll see what we can do with it.
I'm surprised you haven't retired.
I'm only 55.
I am.
I gotta marry a rich lady, and then I can retire.
Oh yeah, they all say that.
Are you
all,
rich?
All the women say they're going to marry a rich man. Nobody ever finds anyone rich. The rich.
The problem with the snake is you might have a drum trap there. Well, When you go downstairs, see if there's any water leaking out of the ceiling.
On the ceiling?
Yeah, below us. Go down below and see if there's any water leaking out, because,
Okay.
you know, you got an old pipe in here. I don't know if I blew it apart or what the deal is. Probably not, but it's always good to check it. Going down now. What a pain in the butt. We give it the old hydro blast. She uses a little plug thing to block it. It's going down, that's good. You gotta block that hole or there'll be a problem. Or would you wear gloves? I'll never figure it out. Never figure it out. Well, that's good then.
I have a faucet there.
Well, no, if it was leaking, you'd see it be dumping right down in there.
Over the vanity, there's a soffit, so you wouldn't see
Well, that's
it.
good. It's going down now. I had to hydro blast it. It's fine now.
Don't tell me it's fine. It's good?
The drain's fine. Yeah, it's going down. As long as it takes it with the shower, that's the main thing. What, you didn't think I was going to get it?
No, I didn't.
You didn't, so that
I
means
thought
that...
you had to go into the cellar and undo the pipe
No.
where the trap is.
No, it's up here where the problem is. Probably here.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
Alright, so it's working good.
Little girl sees a lot of here. Now, what are you looking at in there?
My little camera.
Oh,
See, so it's going down good actually. See it? Taking the whole thing. See it?
barely. See, but when
What do you mean, barely?
when I fill the tub halfway up to take a bath.
Oh, it's going to go down now because the drain was backing up. I just cleared it. Now it's going down. So if you fill it up halfway, it's going to drain now because the drain's not backing up. Drain's clear.
All right.
That's why I use this. I mean, that's what that's for. Hydronic water. This thing works good. That's all I use it for. Okay, so it's going down. We're good to go.
That's good.
I'll use my little compressor.
If it backs up again, I'll let you know.